Hidden in the heart of Gujarat, India, lies a marvel of ancient engineering and art, Rani Ki Vav, or Queen's Stepwell. Built in 11th century, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is more than just a well. It's a testament to the grandeur, creativity, and devotion of a queen to her king. Stepwells were crucial structures in ancient India, providing water in areas where it was scarce. But Rani Ki Vav is no ordinary stepwell. Commissioned by Queen Udayamati in memory of her late husband, King Bhimadeva I of the Solanki dynasty. This well is a unique blend of practicality and art. Rani Ki Vav stands out because of its immense size and intricate design. The well descends over 7 levels, each filled with detailed carving and sculptures. It is said to be one of the largest and most ornate stepwells in India. More than 500 principal sculptures and over the thousands minor ones adorn the wall of Rani Ki Vav, portraying gods, goddesses, mythical creatures, and scenes from ancient Indian mythology. Even carving tells a story depicting a rich culture and religious heritage of India. At the core of these sculptures is the presence of Lord Vishnu, the preserves of the universe. Many depictions of Vishnu's incarnations, such as Varaha, Narsimha, and Rama, can be seen throughout the structures. The stepwell was not only provided water but also a space for spiritual reflection. Constructed primarily out of sandstone, the stepwell was submerged by the Saraswati River in the 13th century and remained buried until the late 1980s. Archaeologists uncovered the site, revealing its beauty to the world once again. Today, thanks to extensive restoration efforts, Rani Ki Vav stands as one of the best preserved examples of stepwell architecture and serves as a reminder of India's ancient water management systems. In 2014, Rani Ki Vav was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing it as a masterpiece of subterranean architecture and an example of artistic brilliance of India's past. Visitors from around the world come to experience the grandeur of this ancient marvel, immersing themselves in the stories carved into its very stones. Rani Ki Vav is more than just a stepwell, it's a symbol of love, devotion, and the extraordinary skill of India's ancient artisans. Standing the test of time, it invites us to reflect on the ingenuity and creativity of our ancestors. Next time you are in Gujarat, don't miss the chance to walk down the steps and history and explore the timeless beauty of Rani Ki Vav. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories from India's heart.